We're at the Pretoria Magistrate's Court where 4 senior SAPS officials within the SAPS Intelligence Division were applying to have their bail conditions relaxed. Now, these officers are charged with fraud and corruption. The charges relate to them colluding to hire an inexperienced officer to a high-ranking position within the intelligence sector, despite the officer's lack of experience. One of the bail conditions that the officers want relaxed is the bail condition that prohibits them from entering any SAPS premises. The officers made representations to court saying that this bail conditions act as an indirect suspension, considering that internally within SAPS, these officers have not been suspended yet. One of the most interesting submissions made to court today was by Lieutenant General Dumisani Khumalo, who is the head of intelligence in this country. Dumisani Khumalo, through his lawyer, Advocate Abri Lobsa, told the court that he has been exonerated in an internal probe within SAPS. He made this argument saying that because of his exoneration, bail condition number 3, which prohibits him from entering any SAPS premises, actually prejudices him from actually continuing with his duties as the head of intelligence in the country. This is also some of the representations that were made by the 3 other officers who are saying that because they have not been suspended from their duties, that this bail condition actually prohibits them and acts as a prejudice for them executing their duties as they should be allowed to in the Constitution and as required by the law. Now, we didn't get a chance today to hear the side of the prosecution, which is opposing the amendment of the bail conditions. This is because the matter was adjourned or was postponed by the magistrates, who cited a comedy of errors by the legal representatives from both the defense and the prosecution. During today's proceedings, there was a number of mistakes made by the defense in terms of late submissions, misrepresentations, but also not having the correct documents for the magistrates. Now, this was also suffered by the prosecution team. The magistrate has postponed the case to the 8th of September, where the prosecution will make arguments in opposing the amendment of the bail conditions, and then the defense team will also have an opportunity to argue against that. Thabiso Koba, Eyewitness News at the Pretoria Magistrates Court.